हेलो एवरीवन। अभी हम कंप्यूटर के क्वेश्चंस की एक सीरीज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं जिसके हर एक पार्ट में 50 क्वेश्चंस होंगे और ये पार्ट 1 है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। कंप्यूटर रेजोल्यूशन मेजर्स नंबर ऑफ पिक्सल। तो कंप्यूटर की रेजोल्यूशन जो है उसे हम पिक्सल्स में मेजर करते हैं। वन निबल इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी बिट्स? 4 बिट्स। विच टर्म इज रिलेटेड टू डेटाबेस? ओरेकल। तो ओरेकल, मोंगोडीबी ये सारे डेटाबेस हो गए। डेटाबेस क्या है? जिसमें डेटा स्टोर किया जाता है, either in form of tables or in form of objects. Or what can be considered as basic building block of a digital circuit? Logic gates. तो लॉजिक गेट्स आपने पढ़ा होगा, एंड गेट, नॉट गेट, नॉर गेट, और गेट, ये सारे। व्हाट इज फुल फॉर्म ऑफ रैम? रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी। रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी रैम आप देखते होंगे अपने मोबाइल में या फिर लैपटॉप में, कंप्यूटर में। तो ये ऐसी मेमोरी है जहां से डेटा बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली, बहुत फास्ट एक्सेस किया जा सकता है। Which among following is secondary storage device? Hard disk. What is responsible for specifying address of a memory location? Address bus. ULSI microprocessor is used in which generation of computers? Fifth generation. Where is cache memory located? CPU. Which function key is used to check spellings? F7. Which type of software is an operating system? System software. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as multiprocessor. Which program is run by BIOS to check hardware components are working properly while computer is turned on? Post. What is responsible for finding and loading operating system into RAM? Bootstrap loader. Full form of URL: Uniform Resource Locator. Which type of storage device is BIOS? Primary. Which is most common language used in web designing? HTML. HTML का full form है Hypertext Markup Language. The first programming language was Fortran, Fortran, which stores data permanently in computer. ROM, read-only memory. Which is main system board a computer? Motherboard. So motherboard जो है वो कंप्यूटर या लैपटॉप का मेन बोर्ड होता है. What is bug in computer terminology? An error in program. An electronic path that sends signal from one part of computer to another is bus. USB is which type of storage device? Tertiary. Who is known as father of artificial intelligence? John McCarthy. BIOS is used for loading operating system. Who was the father of internet? Windsurf. WINCRF. In banking, railways, etc., which computers are used? Mainframe computers. Intersection of columns and rows is called a cell. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. What is full form of EXIF? EXIF. Exchangeable Image File Format. Which operations are performed by RAM? Read and write. WWW stands for World Wide Web. Documents, movies, images, and photographs, etc., are stored at a file server. Where are saved files stored in computer? Hard disk. Which is responsible for communication between memory and ALU? ALU की फुल फॉर्म होती है अरिथमेटिकल लॉजिकल यूनिट. तो इन दोनों के बीच में कम्युनिकेशन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है कंट्रोल यूनिट. इन कंप्यूटर व्हाट कन्वर्ट्स AC to DC? SMPS. Who invented keyboard? Christopher Latham Solz. SHOLZ. Which operating system is developed by Apple? Mac operating system, Mac OS. From which year fifth generation of computer is considered? 1980. What is full form of HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which are the main parts of Central Processing Unit? Control Unit and Arithmetic Logic Unit. Microsoft Office is type of application software. If CPU executes multiple programs simultaneously, it will be known as multitasking. Which device among following is used to send digital data over a phone line? Modem. What is used to make computer chips? Silicon. In which of the following form data is stored in computer? Binary form. Where is RAM located? Motherboard. A wireless technology built in electronic gadgets used for exchanging data over short distance is Bluetooth. By pressing which key we can move to beginning of a page? Home. Who invented Java? James Gosling. Which of the following is used in RAM? Semiconductors. An assembler is used to translate a program written in assembly language. तो assembler वैसे प्रोग्राम को ट्रांसलेट करता है जो कि assembly language में लिखी हुई है. What is meaning of OMR? Optical Mark Reader. Technology used to provide internet by transmitting data over wireless to telephone network is DSL. So DSL ऐसी technology. Verification is process of authentication. जो ऑथेंटिकेशन हमें देखना होता है तो उसमें हम एक प्रोसेस करते हैं वेरिफिकेशन. विच लैंग्वेज वॉज यूज्ड एज अ फर्स्ट जनरल लैंग्वेज? मशीन लैंग्वेज. विच लेवल लैंग्वेज इज असेंबली लैंग्वेज? लो लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ फर्स्ट सुपर कंप्यूटर ऑफ इंडिया? तो ये याद रखिएगा, परम 8000. व्हाट इज लिनक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम? ठीक है, तो लिनक्स क्या है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है. और भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या क्या है, जैसे विंडोज है, मैक है, ये सारे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होते हैं. अ 32-bit वर्ड कंप्यूटर कैन एक्सेस डैश बाइट एट अ टाइम. तो 32-bit अगर कंप्यूटर है तो वो 4 बाइट एट अ टाइम एक्सेस करेगा. द फर्स्ट माइक्रो प्रोसेसर बिल्ड बाय द इंटेल कॉर्पोरेशन वाज 4004. द कंप्यूटर दैट प्रोसेसेस बोथ एनालॉग एंड डिजिटल इज कॉल्ड हाइब्रिड कंप्यूटर. In 1999, the Milesi virus was a widely publicized. क्या था वो? तो ईमेल वायरस था वो. Which of the following commands is given to reboot the computer? Control Alt Delete. What is the correcting error in program called? तो प्रोग्राम जो आप लिखते हैं उसमें अगर एरर को करेक्ट करते हैं तो उसे हम बोलते हैं डिबगिंग. BCD is binary code decimal. What type of virus used computer hosts to reproduce itself? Worm. SMTP, FTP and DNS are applications of layer. तो ये applications है. Which command is used to select the whole document? Control plus A. COBOL, COBOL is an acronym for Common Business Oriented Language. The ability of an OS operating system to run more than one application at a time is called multitasking. What is the functional key to display save up as box? F12. Full form of NOS, Network Operating System. Something which has easily understood instruction is said to be analog data. A modem is connected to a telephone line. Refresh rate of monitor is measured in hertz. What was the chief component of first generation computer? Vacuum tube valves. Name the father of computer mouse. Douglas Engelbart. The program that performs a useful task while simultaneously allowing destructive acts is Trojan horse. The geometric arrangement of device on the network is called topology. तो different kind of topology आपने पढ़ी होगी, जैसे bus है, tree है. The basic goal of computer process is to convert data into information. तो डेटा जो होती है वो रॉ जो डेटा हम फीड करते हैं कंप्यूटर में, फिर प्रोसेसिंग होती है और फाइनल जो आउटपुट हमें मिलता है वो होता है इंफॉर्मेशन. वेयर आर द CPU एंड मेमोरी लोकेटेड? इन मदरबोर्ड. वेयर BIOS BIOS is stored? Flash memory chip. IP address version 4 is in which format? 32 bits. Who was the father of Bluetooth? Ericsson. What kind of operations can a computer carry out? Arithmetical and logical. Modern computer follows a generalized set of instructions to perform any function. These instructions are better known as programs. When were the first digital electronic calculating machine developed? During World War II. Which of the following is the processing unit of the computer? So CPU, central processing unit. Which part of the computer carries out the arithmetic and logical operations? Processing element. Which of the following are part of logical operation of computer? Greater than. So greater than हो गया, lesser than, equal to, plus, these are all the logical operators. Which of the following comprise the input device? Keyboard and mouse. So mouse हो गया, keyboard हो गया, joystick हो गया, ये सब input device है. Monitor, printer, plotter, ये सारे जितने भी होते हैं वो output device होते हैं.
Which of the following device comprises the output unit? Visual display unit. Which of the following lies within the CPU? Primary memory. Which of the following comprises the software component of a computer? So programs are the software component. In a book of which author was the word computer first mentioned? रिचार्ड ब्रेथवेट. तो इनके बुक में पहली बार ये वर्ड कंप्यूटर मेंशन किया गया था. Which of the following is seen as the earliest mechanical analog computer? Tally stick. Which of the following device incorporated a mechanical calendar computer? Astrolabe. 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 Who gave the first successful demonstration of use of simplified analytical engine in computer tables in 1888? Henry Babbage. Which of the following is the first example of electromechanical relay computer? Jet 2. Which of the following was considered as the world's first fully automatic digital computer? Jet 3. Which was the world's first electronic digital programmable computer? Colossus. COLOSSUS. Who had proposed the principle of modern computer in his 1936 paper? Alan Turing. In the laser printer, which type of laser is used? Semiconductor laser. In Microsoft Word, dash provides information about the current document. Status bar. Virus stand for Vital Information Resource Under Siege. What is the address given to a computer connected to a network? IP address. A method of bypassing normal authentication procedure to a computer system is known as unauthorized access. इसे बोलते हैं backdoor. Which is the volatile memory? So RAM is the volatile memory. Which programming language is developed by James A. Gosling? Java. ऐसे और भी बहुत सारे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज होते हैं, जैसे जावा एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है, जावा स्क्रिप्ट हो गई, C++ हो गया, C# हो गया, ये सारे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है. Commonly used abbreviation ISP in computer science stands for Internet Service Provider, which is used to enter data and instruction into a computer input device. Dash changes each time installed to avoid detection of antivirus software. Polymorphic virus. Systems running more than one processes concurrently are called multi-programming. Which has the largest storage? Terabyte. तो ये आप याद कर लीजिएगा मेमोरी का, जैसे बिट बाइट, किलोबाइट, मेगाबाइट, गीगाबाइट, फिर आगे आप पूरा याद कर लीजिएगा. Which is an application protocol? HTTP. In IT, associated memory is called as content addressable memory. Unix operating system was developed in 1970s by Bell Labs. Safari is a type of browser. जैसे Chrome एक ब्राउजर है, Mozilla Firefox एक ब्राउजर है, वैसा ही Safari भी ब्राउजर है. Protocol used for sending an email is SMTP. Any data or instruction entered into the memory of computer is called as input. Which material is used in the manufacturing of electric heater coil? Nichrome. निकल एंड क्रोमियम का जो एलॉय होता है वो नाइक्रोम कहलाता है, तो इसकी रेजिस्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, इसीलिए इसे हीटर में यूज़ करते हैं. Which is the light sensitive device used for converting images to their digital form? Scanner. Home page is a word associated with web page. Dash bar is located at top of WordPad notepad, so title bar. In Microsoft Word, dash allows us to change the color of selected text, font color. Dash are designed to read and interpret HTML. Browser. So HTML एक मार्कअप लैंग्वेज है जिससे हम ब्राउजर पे रीड कर पाते हैं. Which is a modifier key in the computer keyboard? Shift key. In IT, the technique that is used to increase the bandwidth is memory interleaving. Which is the default body font in Microsoft Word 2007? Calibri. Constantly running system program processes is known as DAEMOS. DAEMONS. Notepad is a text editor in which of the operating system? So Windows. The fundamental purpose of BIOS is to initialize and text system hardware components. Which output device is used for translating information from a computer into pictorial form on paper? Plotter. The idea of integrated circuit was first given by Geoffrey Drummer. The command that merges the content of one file to another is append. In MS Word, what is the gutter margin? Space left for binding. Which company developed Java? Sun. What is the base of octal number system? 8. How many layers are there in OSI networking model? 7. Which error is identified by computer? Logical errors. Raymond Samuel Tomlinson is famous for developing email. C++ is a programming language. Process data is known as information. Who invented logarithms? John Napier. What is the mascot of Linux operating system? Penguin. What is the full form of LAN? Local Area Network. How many bits does an IP address contain? 32 bits. Syntax error are determined by control unit. The tagline "Do Not Evil" is owned by Google. So Do Not Evil is owned by Google. Thank you so much.